Hi everyone, my name is Slavisha Mihailovic, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to manage the main navigation, which is the drop-down menu, and then later we will see how to manage the accordion animation on the home page, video player included. Let's go to the CMS, and as you can see the top navigation is actually a drop-down menu. Here we are talking about a test website, and that's why every page is a little bit different. This has to be fine-tuned. But in this video tutorial, I have to show you at least 2 or 3 options. So in this case, as you can see, Tupper Party has 1, 2, 3, 4 subpages. The first 3 do not have any image. The last one has an image. Now let's see which options we have. First of all, let's click on the test page Philippines 1, the one that has an image. And as you know, when you open the settings, the small article picture, this one, is displayed in the content of the page, and the same image is used also for the navigation. If you would like to make the drop-down menu very simple with only text, you should disable this image. So when you are in that page, you simply find this option, picture visibility in the main navigation, visible. You switch it to invisible. Okay. And now the drop-down menu of Tupper Party, it's a little bit cleaner because it contains only text, which makes sense. But if you would like to have an image for each of these sections, you can do it. And now I'm going to show you how to do that. So first of all, I have to add a small article picture for each of them. So regarding the test page Philippines, I already have it. I just need to switch it on. Invisible, visible. Okay. There it is. Now types of parties. I go there. I open the settings. Let's see, I see that somebody already entered a small article picture. Here actually I see that picture visibility in the main navigation is invisible, and there is another picture. So first of all, I will make it visible. There it is. Now we have a picture here. Now you would probably ask me why that picture is different from the small article picture here. That's because in this case somebody entered an alternative small teaser picture, which is this one here. And if you enter it here, then that image will override this one, and that one will be used. This is of course an advanced option, but as you can see, we have a very flexible system to satisfy the requirements of many different markets. So now we have 2 images. Let's go in hosting tips. Okay, I think we already have a small article picture. Yes, there it is. I only need to make it visible. There it is. Last one, host a Tupper Party. Open the settings. Main content. There is no small article picture, so in this case I have to select one. Of course it will be just a test image. I will use the Philippines test 2. I have to crop it, so create new variant, create a copy, scroll down, here is my copy, second icon to edit the image, description, small article picture. I select the small teaser picture, I crop the image as I want, like this, scroll down, save, scroll down again, here is my small article picture which has been cropped. I click the red icon to send it to the page in the background. completed, close, and now this page will refresh. There it is. As you can see, now I have a different menu. Every page has a preview picture, let's say. It's okay, but on small screens it might be a problem, because currently I'm using a high resolution screen and it's okay. But if you, let's say if somebody at home has a low profile laptop which has a small screen with a low resolution, then it might be that they will not be able to view the last picture. In that case, you should change the settings from one column drop-down menu to 2 columns. To do so, you just open the parent page, Tupper Party, you click it, then you open the main settings of that page, and here you have a new option, main navigation, drop-down layer type 1 column, you click it, you switch to 2 columns, you click OK, few seconds to reload the page, automatically of course, and as you can see now the Tupper Party drop-down menu looks a little bit nicer. It's visible on all laptops, it looks nice, and this is done. Now, next feature is the homepage accordion. So we will click on the logo to switch to the homepage. And as you can see here, I have a list of images, but if I open the test website, as you can see, we have the real accordion animation. In this test website, we have only 4 images. You can enter 3, 4, or 5. Technically, it's also possible to enter only 2 or even 6, but in my opinion, it looks nice with 3, 4, or 5, not more and not less. Each image has a background image, of course. Then in bottom left corner you have a little box with some font, and of course it's linked, because otherwise it doesn't make sense. Another option is to have the first image as a video, and that can be seen in our templates. So in this case we have 5 slides. The first one is special because if you open it and you click it, there is a video. And now I'm going to show you how to edit everything. Let's start first with the images. Each image has one little red dot to edit the settings. First, I will delete one of them. So I open it. When the settings are open, right click, delete page. Yes. And that element will disappear. Now I have only 3 images in my accordion, and if I want to see a preview, I can click, let's say here, this icon in bottom right corner, and as you can see now, my accordion has only 3 pictures. I will switch back to the editing mode by clicking on this icon, the first one, and now I will open the accordion module to add a new image. Add slide. Every time you add a new element on the page, you click on create and connect page. I will say test slide. Okay. There it is. By default, new elements are added before all the other ones. Now let's see the options. The most important one is the edit picture option, so I will do that. Image manager, upload items if you want to upload a new image. If not, you just select one of the existing ones, like this one, for example. As you can see, this image is huge and it doesn't fit to that page, so we have to create a copy. Okay, I think in this case I already have it, so I will not do it again. I will click this red button to send the image, close, and now my image is there. if you would like to create a custom image like this one with some special background, some special things, of course you need to contact a graphic designer who will prepare this image for you. You will need to give the specifications. So in this case I will click on Edit Image, click OK, scroll down, I select the file name, I click on Edit this one. You have to tell your graphic designer that first of all you need a JPEG picture optimized for web, and the dimensions are home page slide picture. There they are, 893 pixels by 594. These are the dimensions. So now I can close this. Default open slide. By default, all images are set to false, but if you set one to true, then if we switch to test website, that slide will open by default. So in this case this is the standard status, but if you set, let's say, the second slide to true, it will open automatically like this. So this can be useful if you want to highlight a promotion, a new product or something like that. Then you have the title, line 1 and line 2. So this is line 1, line 2. Now you have the background color of the box and you have the font color. The background color has to be set in RGB mode and the font color has to be set in HTML mode. Probably you already know how this works. If not, you should go on Google. You enter something like color codes. There are many different websites. I found this one, html-color-codes.info. Here you have a color picker. You select a color, let's say pink or magenta, and here you have the HTML color. The HTML color is made of 6 letters or digits. So you can copy this and you can enter it in the CMS. So I will edit font color, I will paste it, I will click OK. The page will refresh, and now you can see a small preview here with some pink text. The other one, the background color, is this one, and in this case you have to enter it in RGB. Same trick but different numbers. Let's say I want white or black background. Let's take black. The HTML code is 000 and the RGB numbers, they normally go from 0 to 255. Black is 000, white is 255 for all three values. Other colors have different numbers, of course. You just need to copy these three numbers. So I will switch back to my CMS. I close the website for colors and I click on RGB for the background. So red is 0, green is 0, blue is 0, and then you can set the transparency 0, 1, or let's say 0.5, which means 50% of opacity or 50% of transparency. Remember, it's 0.5, not comma. I click OK. And now, as you can see, the background color will be black, the text will be pink, which graphically doesn't look very nice, but it's just to show you how to change it. Edit link, connect existing page if you want to link an internal page, assign URL if you want to link an external page, and that's it. Another option regarding the images is the following one. You can click on edit slide and then you can change the position. Edit page order. I change my test slide, put it in the, let's say, last position. I click OK. And now my test picture will be at the end of the list. Now let's see the video player. As you can see here, the video player is disabled and I have only the pictures. So if I right click my mouse, preview, page preview, I will be able to see a preview. Please remember that the preview in the CMS is just a preview. It doesn't represent the final quality of this page, and there are a few things that do not work correctly because of technical reasons. Like, for example, we just said that the background here should be black, but as you can see, it's not black. If you switch to the other preview mode, which is this one, as you can see, the background is gray. Actually, in this case, it works correctly, but we set the transparency to 50%. That's why it looks like this. So in this case, it's correct, but the final quality will be visible only when this page is published. Regarding the video player, it's an option. So first of all, you have to enable it here. You click OK. Now the page will refresh and you will have some new options. The video player can be enabled only for the first slide, so either it's there or it's disabled. If you open the settings here, some details are the same like for the other images. For example, you have the box title, which is this one, the box in bottom left corner, of course. You have the background color, you have the font color, you have the YouTube video ID. The video has to be on YouTube. When it's on YouTube, you have to copy the ID of that video. I already explained this in another video tutorial. And then you can enter the link. Now, regarding images, you actually have 3 images. 2 are mandatory and 1 is optional. How does that work? If I open our templates here, you will see that when I open the first slide, the one that contains the video, there is a background image, which is the start poster. When I open it, there is this big headline, Frisch in den Tag, which actually is not text. It's a transparent PNG picture that appears over the other one, over the start picture. When I click, the video will start, and when the video is over, then the end poster or finish poster will be displayed. So the idea is, first you start with a start poster, which will display something like the preview of your video, the new product or something like that. Then people will click to play the video. The video will start, and when the video is over, the finished poster will be displayed. In this case, we entered the same image, but actually the second one should have a call to action. After watching a short video, this image will be displayed and you can enter a call to action like order now, have a party now, something like that. These images can be edited here, edit start poster, edit optional layer. Remember, it must be a transparent PNG to have this nice effect. And then you edit the finished poster. Regarding the dimensions, they are the same as for the other images. So you can ask your graphic designer to prepare those images for you, because if you crop them here, they will technically be correct, but maybe they will not look so nice. As usual, remember tasks, 7 tasks to save, because I changed many different things. Submit, oops, sorry, I made a little mistake. So I have to select all pages, right click, submit to workflow. And now all my changes will be published tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching, and as usual, if you have any questions, let us know. Thank you.